Alright, hi guys, Pickles Guys here, Jamaican YouTuber. Welcome back to my channel. I'm glad to have you back. It's been a minute since I've done a video where I'm standing and moving around, which is my perfection. Don't mind, this is get the mic audio. Alright, so first of all guys, let me just say, this video is supposed to be about Japanese kids being the biggest trolls ever. And yes, kids will be kids. Trust me, the biggest trolls. And guys, I don't want you to miss the point of the video because sometimes, oftentimes, actually a lot of the times, many of you miss the points of these videos. I'm not being negative. I'm just pointing out some things, some observations that some might find funny. Most find funny. People that are normal. But guess what? Normal is overrated and that's fine by me. So today I'm teaching my kids, and I'm actually, this is something we're teaching them now. We're teaching them numbers to say numbers in English, okay? So in katakana or hiragana, to pronounce my name, it's Andore. It's Andore, all right? I would say, okay guys, let's go for numbers. So let's go. 100. These are like 100. I'm like, so initially I say, hey, okay, no joke. 100, not 100, okay? Who told me to say that? It's like every other time they start taking the piss with me. 100, 100, 200. 200 and I'm like, all right guys, okay, fun and jokes are over. Ha 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 ha. Chanting aside. Wakata. All right, let's go. 100. 100. Good. You know, they just went off and whatever, and it's fine. They do things like that all the time. You know, depending on the hairstyle, if you have natural hair, tall hair, they call you names and whatever. And it's fine. It's a part of the whole culture and thing. Because at the end of the day, when I was young, I used to call my teacher names, but most of the names were called so my teacher would hear. Or so I thought. Or they didn't react to give me a thing. But when you start to understand Japanese, it's a blessing and a curse. More of a curse. Use your powers for good, not evil. Like, I've been here teaching these set of kids for almost 4 years. Some of them for 4 years max. The least will be like a year and a half, 2 years. All right, cool. They know I'm from Jamaica. So this is a conversation that takes place with kids that I already know and teach. So I come into class and say, hey guys, what's up?
Andre, Genki.
I'm good, Genki.
でもさ、Andre、どこから来た?
Oh, I'm from Jamaica. Ah, Jamaica. I know. You know this already. You know this, right? They're like,
先生、さ、なんか、毎日さ、ね、ジャマイカから来るの?
bruh, what? I mean, like, that's trolling, right? They know I'm a foreigner and they know I'm from Jamaica. I told them it takes 2 days to travel to Jamaica, from Jamaica to here. So how the hell would I be coming to there? Tell me if they have asked something weird like that for you, especially the Jamaicans or foreigners. Do they ask if you travel from your home country every day to come to class? These are elementary school kids though, so I mean, I don't really mind it. And even today this happened to me. Kids still are fascinated by my skin color. And then they say things like, oh, look, his hands are dark here and it's white. He's like a monkey. Oh, the monkey gorilla. I don't play that with my kids. I definitely tell them, hey, don't say that around me. I don't know if it's fine with your other foreign teachers, but to a black man, you can't say that because, you know, it's bad. And some of the kids actually know it's rude because I've actually confronted some of them and say, hey, okay, so tell me something. You know it's wrong, right? They say, so why would you say that to me if you know it's rude? What can I? They never know anything. They never know.
先生、わかんない。ごめんなさい。
And they go, I say, yo, don't bother crying because that's not going to help you here. You don't do the thing. I'm going to tell your mother.
やだ、先生。やだ、それ無理。
Bro, just behave yourself for the rest of the lesson and we're good. All right? And these are the things that look at my elbow and they say, oh, it's so black. Oh, I mean, what else is going to be white? And also, Japanese kids are the perfect trolls because they try to see how far they can go with you as a foreign teacher, especially how my system is set up at my schools. And I often ask them, hey, do you behave like this with your teacher at school? They say no. Okay. Do you behave like this with the other Japanese teacher? No. So why the sorry. Why in the name of all that is green tea and sushi, you feel say you for deal with me, so? What kind of? Or they will say this, skikara. So you put your fingers up my bottom to say that you like me. Me no want that like that. Uno can't keep that one. Cause that is not no like to me. Me no want that type of love there. You understand me? Me no want you try to feel me up and molest me because you like me. Just respect me and stay away. Me rather you scared of me than show me you love me. It is true. Kids in Japan will conquer you because them like you. And well, if I saw them want to show love, me no want none of that a backside. Ironically, backside, is involved. But what I'm saying is, no, I don't want that. Give me a normal hug or something, right? But at the end of the day, they're kids. And you have to just try and mold them in the right way. And hopefully they become better human beings than their predecessors, because trust me, some of these adults here in Japan ain't shit. Anyway, in the comments down below, let me know if you've had trolling kids. What do you think about the video? If you want to see more, I don't know what the hell is this. But yeah, that's the video, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. Give me a like, comment, subscribe, and let me know what you think about this video. See you, bye. Because the guy is a Jamaican YouTuber. I'm outie.